everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today we're going to take a tour in the Honolulu Zoo. See? And right behind me is the pink flamingo. That's our first animal I saw. And inside the pond over there is the second animal I saw. A duckling waddling in the pond. Whee! Okay, let's go on a tour now. Whee! Here is the kingfisher. It's a mean-looking bird, right? And over here, my other side is scarlet ibis, I think. They're like flamingos because they're pink. So this now is a toko token over there. Like I saw that once in my books before. Look at this wonderful tree, everybody. It looks like Tarzan could sing here. Whew, sure is large. Behind me is ringtail lemur. See, looks like she has rings on his tail. This is another type of monkey. Looks like they're having fun. Woo! The zoo is surely fun. I wish I could swing as skillfully as these monkeys. Wow, I could have so much fun at the park. Now I know why they call them monkey bars. And look at these monkeys. They use their tails like another hand to grasp the cage and climb up and down. Amazing! This is a huge yellow python. I'm not very fond of snakes. Too scary. If only I had such large and beautiful wings, I could flutter around just like a butterfly. This is the home of the African lion. The king of the beast, the king of the jungle. But if you don't see him, he's a little guy. This is a skeleton of a Goliath male alligator. Look, everybody, there's more ducks and there's zebras and giraffes. Look, there are 3 giraffes, everybody. One is sitting down, one is eating, and one is hiding behind the grass. Wait, where is it? It's real, everybody. They're brown elephants. They're walking over there. Wow. This really is a zoo. This is a very large lizard. I wonder what it eats. Hopefully not me. These are the giant tortoises, and look, we can see the monkeys from here. Look at this cheetah, the fastest land animal. Termite mounds? Looks more like apartments to me. Wow, look at the crown of this majestic bird. This is a keiki zoo, which means kid zoo. Lots of gnats too, where you can pet sheep and goats and cows and chickens. You can pet all farm animals. Shh, we don't want to wake the tiger over there. This is the kimono dragon, everybody, but be careful, it can bite you. Look, it's behind that tree. Before the kimonos arrived, the Hawaii was full of birds. These are the sun conures. They're really colorful, right? Look at that beautiful red and blue parrot. Here's a large yellow parrot. Polly, want a cracker? This is the Asian fairy bluebird. This is a white crested laughing thrush. But I don't know why they call them laughing because they don't laugh. This is a Nicobar pigeon right behind that sign. This is a Victoria crowned pigeon right over there. It's so big, right? It has red eyes. Spooky. Hey, welcome. He's flying. hope you had a good time with me with my adventure at the zoo. I'm sending some love to you. Bye-bye. See you on my next adventure, everybody.